luxury home designs with up to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,659 square feet of comfortable living space. Explore the Extra Suite and Extra Suite Plus, available on select home designs and perfect for multi-generational living. Each home is showcased with Kay Hovnanian's looks, professionally curated interior designs for on-trend style from the start. Choose from 3 distinct looks: Elements, Loft, or Farmhouse. Experience a simplified and transparent process of building the home of your dreams without the stress of endless designer appointments. Enjoy a relaxed lifestyle with easy access to a relaxing downtown, convenient access to Highway 75, and the prestigious Van Alstyne Independent School District. Take a stroll through multiple parks located nearby. Spend the day fishing or horseback riding at Lake Texoma, or spin to win at Choctaw Casino in southern Oklahoma. With a small-town atmosphere, Van Alstyne offers a slower pace of life with easy access to big city amenities. Take part in several community events throughout the year in downtown Van Alstyne. With a strong sense of community, families create new memories and new friends. For over 60 years, Kay Hovnanian Homes has been the first name in lasting value, building in the most desirable communities around the country. Contact us today to schedule a tour of Rolling Ridge, and together, let's discover your new home.